Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Flavors of Tadka. Today we are going to prepare Moong Dal Idlis. Idlis are South Indian delicacy and nowadays it's very common across India. Traditionally idlis are made with rice and urad dal, which is a long and tiring process. Today we are going to prepare it using Moong Dal, which can be an ideal alternative for the traditional ones. Let's quickly have a look on the ingredients what we need to prepare the idlis. Here I have taken half a cup of green whole moong dal which I have soaked overnight and now I have drained out the excess water. You can use moong sprouts as well. Along with that I have taken half a teaspoon of methi seeds which I have soaked overnight. I will grind it along with the moong dal. For chutney I am taking 1.5 tablespoon of chana dal, 2 tablespoon of peanuts, 1 tablespoon of raw mango, few cloves of garlic, 1 small tomato, few curry leaves, and we are using Eno salt as we are not going to ferment the batter. Eno salt will give a fluffier and the lighter texture to our idlis, and few tablespoon of curd. Now we will make the idli batter. In a grinder jar I have taken the soaked moong. In that I am adding half a teaspoon of methi dana and half a teaspoon of salt. Along with that I will add 2 spoon of curd and grind it to a fine paste. Our idli batter is now ready and I'm just transferring it to a mixing bowl. Let's proceed with the next step. In a pressure cooker, I am just keeping some water to boil. And on a second burner we are going to dry roast peanuts, chana dal, garlic for our chutney on a low flame for 3 to 4 minutes till they are nicely roasted. Now everything is roasted nicely. We will allow it to cool down to a room temperature before we prepare chutney from it. Now the water is boiling nicely. We are going to fill the idli molds and steam our idlis. I have slightly greased the idli mold, and in the batter what we have prepared earlier, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of Eno fruit salt and mix it gently. Now we'll pour the batter in all the idli molds and we'll steam the idlis for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile the idli is getting steamed, let's prepare the chutney. In a grinder jar I have taken roasted chana dal, peanuts, garlic, tomato and raw mango. By adding some water, we will grind it to a smooth paste. In a pan I have taken some oil. In that I am adding half a teaspoon of jeera, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and we'll fry for a minute and then we'll add some curry leaves. We'll reduce the flame to a low and we'll add chili powder to it. We'll fry it for half a minute and we'll add the chutney and we'll add some water to adjust the thickness of the chutney as per our requirement and taste. We'll mix everything nicely and boil the chutney for a minute or so. Chutney is done now. Let's have a look on idlis. Idlis are also steamed nicely. Let's plate it and enjoy. Piping hot moong dal idlis are ready. Do try this recipe and share your experience with me. We'll see you soon with my next recipe. Till then, eat healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.